Hey there, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond. Today, you don't want to go away. We have an extra special edition of The Beach Show right here in North Florida. Don't go away.
Beachy Beach.
So as I mentioned, we are in an extra special city here in North Florida called Chipley. I love this town. What you've got is great outdoor living. They're just 45 minutes to an hour from the sand and the beaches, so it's perfect proximity, but they're located right on the interstate. Super easy access, straight down to Panama City. But what's awesome about here is they've got their own water life. They've got lakes and ponds and rivers, and the springs are located up here. So it is wonderful for that outdoor living, to do hunting or be on the water, whatever you desire. Now, let's go check out this great house. Please come on in to see this beautifully remodeled home. I love how you walk in just to this open, expansive space. You've got your dining room right here. Your living room is open and available, but in its own place. And this kitchen, let's just spend a minute in here. We've got these beautiful butcher block countertops. I love the backsplash here. This is just elegant without being over the top. Nice, huge single basin sink and these beautiful countertops. But it doesn't stop here. You gotta come check out the bedrooms. So here's the main ensuite. It is so expansive, and with these beautiful brand new windows here to let all the light flood in. And you can't forget this ensuite. Again, from that butcher block on the island, you've got it right here in the bathroom. Massive brand new shower. I love that the water nook is just kind of out of the way, so it's not so obvious. This home has been beautifully redesigned. And welcome, I wanted to highlight another great feature of this home. It is a 3-bed, 2-bath, but you have a second living space. This could be where the kids' playroom is, the teens can hang out and have their TV room over here, whatever your heart desires. It's a beautiful addition to this great home. It is 3 beds, 2 baths, beautiful lot. You gotta check this one out. Living in Chipley offers you more land and much more serenity than a little bit more of the hustle and bustle at the beach. So if that's what you're looking for, this is a great community to offer you that quiet serenity. So for more information on this beautiful home, check out the description below. I've got the listing link there for you, and you can find out all of the finer details. And don't forget, please subscribe to our channel and ring that bell, thebeachshow.com, so you don't miss out on any more information on beautiful Florida.